Welcome to Dhulikan Stories. Today's theme is home. And I begin with quoting Johann Wolfgang von Goethe. He is happiest, be he king or peasant, who finds peace in his home. What does it mean, feeling at home? How it is seen in psychology and sociology? In environmental psychology, many instances are there where the feeling and emotions are attached to a home that help each one of us, and it has a pull. As Abraham H. Maslow saw this in terms of theory of needs, based on that, several tourism operators and others have used this notion, a home away from home. And then what about an array of feelings? Homebound, homesick, home as heaven or hell, old home, new home, my second home, and so on. And have you heard, home is where the heart is? Does it help in reducing anxiety? I feel yes. For each one of us, it reminds us of a low state of anxiety once you are in home. So, does it help in strengthening a collective will or the good of a family? The total environs, the spatiality of being at home, its every nook and corner, each wall, each plant seems familiar and ready to attract you, serve you. Even at one's working places, if one loves his her work, organization, and company of colleagues, one may feel at home. So that means not just the structure itself, but it has another imagination and feeling which could be felt if you love your work. Also, some of you must have heard, wherever we roam, our heart stays at home. A home is often a total sum of one's aspirations, dreams, and close knit family. It's not just four walls and a roof. Howsoever small or big, it has a pull beyond words. And I quote famous शायर बसीर बद्र saying, आँखों में रहा दिल में उतर कर नहीं देखा, कश्ती के मुसाफिर ने कभी समंदर नहीं देखा, और बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा सब चौंक पड़ेंगे, और बेवक्त अगर जाऊंगा सब चौंक पड़ेंगे, एक मुद्दत हुई दिन में कभी घर नहीं देखा. Alas, the saying is also homeless and not houseless. And homeless is a very, very painful feeling. I urge different governments, we must do more what we have been doing for the homeless. And when it comes to mind that the inmates feeling childhood traumas, chronic illnesses, poverty, unemployed youth, untimely deaths, passing away of earning family members in accidents, then even a home becomes unpleasant. And sometimes it asks for a sojourn, a journey away from home. घर का जैसे काटने को दौड़ने लगे. ईश्वर ऐसा ना करे. Also, I am reminded of some deserted homes in villages or even metros that have no occupants and are often generating nostalgic feeling when the owners think of their homes, their childhood memories attached with them, and they have a desire to go to those homes, but nobody is there to welcome them. They are locked, they are deserted, they are defeated buildings now, but those nostalgic feelings are really priceless. एक शेर देखिए, घर में बैठा था कि कौन रुखसत करे हमें, चौखट को अलविदा कहा और चल पड़े। घर में रहा था कौन कि रुखसत करे हमें, चौखट को अलविदा कहा और चल पड़े। So I urge you all, keep returning to your places, your homes. Maybe nobody is living there, but they are alive. They wait for you. Thank you.